The four sufferings of birth, aging, sickness, and death are the natural cause of human life. Among them, suffering of sickness is oftentimes unbearable. Self-healing, many of you may have heard of it, but only a few know its exact principle, which I will discuss later in this episode. Human beings have been exploring, trying to find a cure for the diseases. Scientists and the medical circle discovered that light therapy is rather effective in curing human diseases, including cancer, tumor, chronic diseases, Alzheimer's disease, depression, dysautonomia, degenerative diseases, etc. With pretty good effect, it has also been widely applied in the medical field. They found that light beam is capable of transmitting energy and activating DNA among the mitochondria of the cells, thus help the body to heal itself. It may sound very encouraging, isn't it? But the biggest downside lies in its short-lasting efficacy or in the imbalance of the cell ecology. Usually, it shows good response in the initial and middle stages, but over time, it will become less obvious. Such issue is still being explored in the hope of finding an answer. The answer is actually very simple. Cells and DNA are the tiniest units of the human body that reflects the health status of the body. To regain health, you must first repair them. Cells and DNA need to be nourished and activated by the light to function well and to conduct light and electricity. Actually, DNA has a more important task of transmitting and receiving information. In short, it may be likened to modern optical communication. The only difference lies in the information received, which is almost invisible. You may call it quantum code. It's like downloading a setup assistant. Because the structure of healthy DNA is formed by stacking up the information. The integrity of the structure epitomizes human health. You may grasp the idea in the episode of self-healing 3 types of diseases. Light therapy in present days is irradiated via the spectrum from outside. But if you want to activate DNA, the spirit light from inside is needed. Both are light, but with different qualities. Nikola Tesla, the greatest inventor, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." He meant that the universe has its principles. When we know how to open the universal space and harmonize the frequency of the light body, we can unite with the source of the universe to produce resonance, emit the big light energy field, and create unbounded amount of energy. Meanwhile, in the higher dimensions, different levels of solar field will merge one after another into our light body. Each solar field represents one astral body in a higher dimension, with a built-in setup assistant. Elevating with the progress of meditation, spiritual practice, and spirituality, The downloaded setup system can not only repair cells and DNA, but the DNA begins to emit super white light at the same time. Over 38 trillion cells in the human body begin to emit super white light. All the meridians, nerve filaments, microvascular, vascular, muscles, tissues, mucosa, organs and bones begin to emit super white light. Such frequency resonance will perform a whole body renovation. I call it superb light body. When practice superb light body meditation, most people will produce high body heat. This is because of the mass circulation of light and electricity in the nervous system. The microcosm in the body is thriving, and the physical ecology begins to reconstruct itself. Further, the vitality of human beings is the principle of spatial expansion. The stronger the light body, the higher the density, meaning the stronger the ability of material circulation, the stronger the vitality is. Mass integration of the solar light field enhances the density of the light body greatly. Normal functioning of glands, quality of hormone, lymph, and blood become refined. Sediment accumulated in the past, such as tumor, lumps, congestion, tissue necrosis, etc., start to circulate in large quantities. As such, with the increased process of daily self-healing meditation, some reactions will appear in the body. The reactions tend to vary from person to person. I call this body refined. These are signs of excreted deposits from the body when the light body expands from inside out. I call it detoxification. Generally speaking, for different people and in different periods and stages, when the light body expands to a certain extent, they will have a different experience, especially those with degraded physical function. The feeling will be more obvious. Astral sublimation reaching this stage, I call it the replacement of light body. Well, it's a long story to finish in one breath. I will discuss it further in the next episode. To perform self-healing, you must first activate the source energy of the universe. Here, 3 keys are involved: space code, signal tower, and third, resonance system. I'm Dr. PH. This is science, not religion. Time is ticking. Please like the video and share it to your family members and friends and ask them to help spread ideas. You can help more people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.